It's a 2012 Kia Optima. This Optima has get up and go-go, and it challenges mid-size sedan conventions with its bold looks and a dashboard of technology. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Auto-dimming rear-view mirror, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, inline 4-cylinder engine, leather bucket seats, doors and push-button start proximity key, external memory control, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Cars.com finds, with its creased sheet metal and low-slung shape, there's luxury car sophistication to the Optima's exterior that you don't see in a lot of family sedans. Kia, designed for fun, driven for thrills. The time is now. See it for yourself today. Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.